Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here with the daily options trade. Today we're in this application E-Trade, but this is the Power E-Trade. So it's a different app than the regular E-Trade, which is different than even the web-based E-Trade. So let me know if you guys like this app, because I'm not really sure about it. I don't like it a lot, but I do like a couple features. This is one of them. So if I click on an option, I can easily roll. That's the best feature. So let's see what we're doing here today. We're trying to roll this XL to the next options expiration period because it's in the money. You can see I sold it a while ago. It's really taken a hit. All these SPACs are way down. Even today, look, it's down 46.50 cents. So I don't know if I can even roll this. Only give me 10-cent credit. That's terrible. Got the June. Let's go out to June, see what happens. 20 cents. Wow. Oh, it says mid's 55. Hold on. Yeah, I don't like this app very much. Let's go back to May. Mid's 30. So that's reasonable. If I can get 30, I'll take it. So I'm going to go preview order. Going to buy the one for this month. Expires tomorrow. Sell a month out. I receive $29.97. Commission is $1. And okay. Send order. Now, order sent. Let's view it. Doesn't look like it executed. Of course, why would it? So it's one complaint that I have about these guys is that they don't have really great execution either. Let's go 26. Let's try that. Send. Oh, there it is. Oh no, that's canceled. And it filled. Excellent. Alright, so that's this week. Well, that takes care of that option. Now let's do another trade. Now, since XL has taken a beating, and I still kind of like the company, I mean, they haven't had any really bad news, as far as I know. Haven't heard anything. So let's look at the options. Let's look at May 6th. Wow, $6 option for 68 cents? That seems pretty high. Premium, like a lot of premium. The 7.5, no good. So, okay. I'm going to go with the mid price, slightly under. Let's just shave a cent off. And I'm going to do... Oh, I'm buying. I don't want to buy. I want to sell. Mid 67. Okay. Let's see. I don't want to do 10 contracts. There's no way. I'll do 2. How about that? 2 contracts. Day, $132. Oh, okay. It's not terrible. Okay, let's dismiss that. Preview the order. Right, looks good. Send. View orders. It's open. Alright, so it didn't execute. So I'm just going to let that go. Alright guys, tell me what you think about this Power E-Trade app. because I'm still not too sure about it. It's okay, but I'm still trying to learn how to use it. The other E-Trade app is really hard to roll options and to do options things, and this one it's supposed to be easier, but it's hard to get used to. So maybe I'll do a little review on this once I get to use it a little more and become more familiar with it. Let me know if you're interested in that in the comments below. And of course, coin is another play that I did. Options aren't open for coin yet, so can't do that. But stay tuned for more. Subscribe, make sure you hit the like button. Really appreciate that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.